What if I told you, this $1,200 smart toilet can diagnose health problems from your, well, you know. But one popular model sprayed me like a fire hose during testing. Today, we're revealing the top 5 smart toilets of 2025, from luxury bidets to budget gems, so you don't make a flushing mistake. All purchase links are in the description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Kohler Innate Smart Toilet. Best overall. Kohler has been a top-performing brand in our toilet tests for decades, and it's bringing that same quality and reliability to its expanding line of smart toilets. The Innate is the latest model to pass through our lab for testing, and it aced our tough evaluation process. Our product experts like that it combines sleek contours with a long list of enhancements, including precision water pressure and temperature control, plus electrolyzed pre-rinsing of the bowl to minimize stains. The Innate has fared equally well in extended home testing. I really appreciate the bidet features, our tester noted, adding that the auto flush is amazing, it's nice to look at and it's much easier to clean than a regular toilet. The one-piece Innate can even flush on its own and lift and lower its seat automatically for start-to-finish hands-free control. It also has all the specs our engineers look for in a top-performing toilet, starting with a 1.28 gallons per flush efficiency rating that qualifies it for the EPA's WaterSense certification and a dual flush. Its comfort height design makes sitting down and getting up easier, another aging-in-place benefit of smart toilets, along with the hands-free hygienic cleaning. Number 2. Woodbridge B0960S Smart Toilet. Best value. This smart toilet from Woodbridge comes with many of the same great features as the more expensive options on the market. Automatic flush, auto open and close, claimed air purification and a heated seat are just a few of them. Our experts like that you can choose from multiple wash options, posterior wash, feminine wash, etc., and that the included touch-screen remote can be either handheld or wall-mounted for ease of use. The integrated tank and one-piece construction makes for a streamlined look, though the materials may not be as durable as other smart toilets on our list. The larger tank also makes the toilet somewhat bulky at the bank, which could make sitting awkward at first, at least until you get used to being pitched forward. To help ensure the unique toilet will work with your space, our home improvement pros advise taking note of the specifications, the location of the angle valve on the toilet and access to a power supply. Number 3. EPLO Smart Toilet. Most innovative. While smart toilets are still a luxury category, our market analysts are seeing more models below the $1,000 price point. This model from EPLO is one of the best when it comes to bang for the buck. We're impressed by its expansive feature set, which includes innovations normally reserved for top-of-the-line smart toilets, the instant warm water on the cleansing wand, for example, and the built-in deodorizer to neutralize odors before they escape into the room. The EPLO even includes innovations we haven't seen elsewhere, like foot sensor-activated flushing and an LED display that indicates air and water temperature. One note, unlike most smart toilets our experts have tested, this one has a standard seat height of 15.6 inches, meaning it's not as easy to get on and off of as a comfort height smart toilet. As for performance and reliability, the model is backed by third-party certifications from several industry groups, including the International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials, IAPMO. It has also amassed positive ratings on Amazon, with many users praising its value in a market largely dominated by 4-figure price tags. Number 4. Toto S7A Washlet. Best Smart Toilet Bidet. The Japanese manufacturer Toto invented the bidet-style toilet seat in 1980. Our experts have tested several iterations of the brand's flagship model, the Washlet, including the S7A. It's GH's best luxury bidet, thanks to the strength of its easy installation and feature-rich performance. The heated seat, nightlight and water temperature controls were favorites with our testers, as was the pre-mist feature that helps keep waste from sticking to the bowl. I also love how easy the seat is to remove for a deep clean, noted one tester, who installed the S7A as part of a bathroom renovation. Several design tweaks to the S7A give it a particularly sleek, streamlined profile compared with other bidets we've tested. We also like that the S7A's seamless seat design minimizes gaps and crevices for dirt and grime to collect. Though our tester added that the auto-open/close lid isn't ideal for her smallish bathroom since it would be triggered any time a family member entered the space, the feature can be turned off through the remote. Number 5. Kohler Carrying Elongated Toilet. Best Compact. Sleek and compact, this smart toilet from Kohler will look minimalist in any bathroom. We love that it comes with a self-cleaning wand, air dryer, adjustable temperature settings, hands-free seat opening and closing, and an LED light that illuminates the bowl at night. The single-flush toilet, certified by the EPA's WaterSense program, uses only 1.28 gallons of water per flush, which is on par with most smart toilets featured on our list. Though we're longtime fans of Kohler toilets in general, our experts did note that the instructions they were able to find weren't as helpful as other instructions for installation purposes. The modern design may also not appeal to everyone. So, which smart toilet would you install? Let me know in the comments, I read them all. If this video cleared up your confusion, see what I did there? Smash like, share with your bathroom renovation obsessed friends, and subscribe, because next week, we're testing a toilet so smart, it tweets when it clogs. Yes, that's a real thing. All product links are below. Stay fancy!